Hello everyone, welcome to Stitch and Kai Curation. In today's video, I'm bringing you a fully detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to make a stylish crossbody bag from start to finish. If you have seen my previous crossbody bag tutorial, this one is even more detailed and beginner friendly, breaking everything down so you can follow along with ease. This is part 1 where I will guide you through the material, measurement and the initial step to get started. So grab your material and let's create something amazing together. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't miss part 2. Let's get started. So this is the fashion leather material I'll be using to make the crossbody bag. I've already cut out the measurements. The wideness is 9.7 inches and the length is 7.7 inches. So to cut out the extra pocket, I come to this side and measure 2.3 inches, then I rule it out. Now I will be cuffing the edges. So this is how it look like after cuffing the edges. You can see it give it a round shape. Now I will cut out the extra pocket. So I've cut out lining for the two to cover the back side so that it will look neat inside. So I cut out zip cloth. Now I will be stitching the zip cloth to it. I will take the lining, I will put it down, and I will take the zip cloth, I will place it on it, right side facing up, and take the material, I will place it on it, right side facing each other, then I will stitch it together. Now I will be top stitching it. I will add little oils to it so that it will be easy when sewing it. So I'm done top stitching the two. I will use the zip tip to join the two together. I will stitch it round together with the lining. Now I will trim out the excess lining that remain. So I've cut out lining to cover the extra pockets. Then I cut out small pieces to cover the start and stop of the cord. Now I will place the cord wrap at the middle of the bottom. Then I will stitch it a little bit together. Then I will place the cord on it and stitch it round with it. So after getting to where the cord starts, I will cut the essence. Then I will use the cord wrap to cover it and stitch it together. I will use the front side to cut the back side. So I will place the front side on the material, then I will use the barrel to just trim it out to cut the back side. Now I will be cutting it out. So before you cut out the back side, always indicate the top and the bottom side so that you don't make any mistake. So I'll be doing the way I did to the front to the back side.